Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to use portrait mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So I want you to open up the camera application and we're going to set this to the front camera. Now you're going to notice, here's my face, the issue is there's no portrait mode. This is because the under display camera does not support portrait mode taking. Instead, we need to close the Z Fold 3 and set it to candy bar mode, and you can see right here, now we have the portrait option. So we'll tap on portrait, and what I want you to do is, just go to your face. And what it's going to do, you can't actually see it, but it's going to blur the background, and there should be a ready button. You see find a face. When it says ready, that means it's ready to take the picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this like so, and once I've taken it, you can see the picture is right here, and you can see the background effect is available. You can see the background is blurred. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a regular photo. You'll be able to compare them. So take this, and you can see, look at the background right here. This is a regular photo, and this is the portrait mode photo. You can tell that it's different. So you can just tap on change background effect. Effect, man, my English. Effect, and you can change the blur. So if I set the blur to 0, you can see background looks regular. If I set the blur to the max, you can see it's right there. And you can also change the type of portrait mode shot, so you can, customize this how you like it. I guess you could call this effects, and then once you're done, you just tap on apply, and boom, there we go. So really, that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new, check out my playlist in the description or on your end screen right now for tips and tricks on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. See you guys later, bye bye.